Biamono sana omanchi mulia wita Kisii and Ndizi TV chingaki ogendete kogokera emirobilimia imigeta kiga nebiro bindengo kwaligania semesa ya mangana maya elindengo manye nara yabereka gokorekana kura chingongo chonsi inye chinse chingaki toroche abonchorera kura sensemeria Tranzoia baganire serikali ye county yoko baligereria anena mono ase bagokorera emirimo yabo naboigo ababisabo bochenu kura se county ya Homa Bay bananigo baganire serikali kobamentera abanyagitali ndeko eneki obakoleri obuya ase chinyagitali ao ime county yo nabo kora Chinsa chichi ataita taveta nigo ababwatani bechisemi babere bako eneki buna nigo aborokigwa babere bagotiga kogenda eskuru kubwatikana no mochando winchara oyogendete ko enekigwa asinsemo ao ime ya Kenya mancho muri nyora Chinsa chichi mitandao asensemo ya Facebook nabagotonya gwetera Ndizi TV News Digital nabiga sensemeria YouTube nabagotonya gwetera Ndizi TV News nabiga sensemo ya website nabagotonya gwetera www.ndizitv.or.ke ile na Fridah Kerubo na sinsemo chibyoro kerelio nigo tokubwatanere Joshua Auta ngwina na asege keke ngomanye asenchera iyo winge Wanti umarikere gingo chaka kegima ni gongo chakera county ya Nyamira ase ekiombegi Nyamira North Sako keigora bene ekewanda ekigokorosi chingeni nabo igogo semia abamenye bensemeyo na kiba bwenete kwerigeria engele yabo ya kiralituko ase bagigora ekewanda ekyo asensemeria Nyanderema North abamenye bensemeyo boigo mbaye semigwa chinchera cyogwetangane kisegi chegenga nabo igo batsemigwa obobebo gosara omwana omunyaruka anena mono chingaki chiskuru kira chigosieku naboigo abaina abanyaruka barachigosoa ase omutimoko mokeigoro botura senchera iyo winge.
Mimi naitwa National Duor kwa hii shirika la Nyamira North Women Sacco. Mimi ni project officer. Tumekusanyika hapa ili tukuje tufungue kirasmi hii masini yetu ambayo inahifadhi mboga na pia tuwatunze wale wanachama wa kikundi chetu ambao wamefanya kazi kwa miaka mzima, kazi ambayo ni ya kupanda mboga na pia kuyaleta katika facility yetu.
Tunakuwa na mangana gender based violence being that we are heading to December. Gender based violence na rebugato kwa wana baiseke defilement Nyamira ya kumire asegento kurunga defilement. Ntoligerete December abana ngotsa bale kortale 22 chomo tienyo bakakatala 24 chomo tienyo mutangani eineme tienyebere nindo chabangina na baswati babo bali bagete sabu ngomwana tiganda chuko kwani magokoro arokigwe baba be warned tigango kanye mapema ngakaratiga gokobwa tunerumia ngapi rebo 200 abonchereria bechiba naboigo emibagani nigo barokirwe okogwe chigwa kwabo kubwatikana gosiekwa ase bagokorera obonchereria anigo agocha litkoligoro magega yogosiekwa gwechiba naboigo emibagani ase baganire serikali gwesona nigati naboigo kubanchera gokora obonchereria babo boigo nigo baerera naigo babere bakonererwa ase egekegetambe ase baganire oboene kurigererwa
Marieta onkoro kwa Charles Kiage on behalf ya manager ya hotel na bar as a Kisii County municipality manager Mr. Ngeri endonda motebye tigako babuango gutumeka useke biashara bya bantu kuna che license ya biashara bya hotel ose club nejiba nyingi sana na rent ye nyumba cheito bosonga ni gere goromono lakini akwa imukire sengenjo gutumeka maybe kibiashara watema kunyanyasa aba Gusii ekionto wanja unless and otherwise eterase a chairman ya bar owners and hotels association etera bamotabina abantu bao mbabwata mamochogete aimoke arangeria committee yaye baligereria manganaya kurende koimuka bwango usike biashara byo muntu tari buya
Unenchereye moyo kweneki okobwatana okuya gati yensi ya Kenya ne Chinsa chinde nabwo kweneki nga sekta y'oboncheriringo kinere omurai bwense ya South Africa Cyril Ramaphosa nigo aikirana ase ense ya Kenya ase ariganigwano murai bwense ya Kenya Dr. William Ruto ime nyumba y'oburai ya State House Nairobi asokweneki na ngokwana bale chingwana nabwo kubeka emirobeli emiya asokweneki buna sekta nabwo sekta y'obonchereri na uchumi ngo kinere asekerengo keigoro mono. Kina yokogania gutuguterare kina kimubwatiranitio mukonyi bomurai bwense Rigathi Gachagua nigo gyacha kabene ase ekigambero ekenene imyomochio Nairobi ase nsemeri ya milimani korende korengana no bosaiti bwaba bokorwegwa nigo baine kiribu na bosaiti mboyo boisaine ase bali basorere nabigo kogania ekinde kyo gutuguterware.
And your affidavit said specifically you were put under pressure by Mr. Kerubo. It says so, doesn't it?
It's him I was reporting to.
Sorry?
It's him I was reporting to.
Does your affidavit say you were put under immense pressure? Those are the words you used.
Pressure to complete the investigations and the recommendations.
And this affidavit is drawn by you. It is not drawn by another person. It's not a lawyer drawing it for you. It is you who has drawn it.
Yes.
Unenchereye moyo kosira omwana omunyaruka bononige serikali yabirege kuboligwa asoko enekibuna ngoena nabale ebitamba byobochenu gochia ase abana abanyaruka elinde koene kibuna botambe ngotigara bale ase skuru inde kogendera kwenyorera amasomo anigo akolekana ase skuru ya Freetown secondary school chingaki abana abanyaruka bale koegwa ebitamba byobochenu.
Wazazi ni la chini sana. Hivi kwamba wakati mwingi wanafunzi wanakuwa na shida, inabidi waende kwa ile idara ya ushauri na nasaha, wakalilie kilio chao kwamba hawawezi kupata sodo. Mimi kama mwalimu mkuu hulazimika basi kuangalia chochote ambacho ninacho ili niweze kuweka akiba, hasa wakati wa dharura. Maana mwanafunzi ama msichana wa kike hawezi kuenda darasani ikiwa iko katika hali hiyo.
Especially pale malezi nyumbani kwenye wanatoka unapata hawana ile namna ya kupata hata hiyo pesa ya kununua mahitaji muhimu, especially kama wasichana ya kama sodo na pia mahitaji mengine.
Wasichana wengi wako na shida sana ya sodo. Mimba za haraka zimepatikana katika shule. Kila tunapotembea katika shule mwalimu anakuambia kuwa mimba za mapema zinapatikana kwa sababu ya watoto kukosa sodo.
Waziri wobochenu Susan Nakuminja nigo atebire buna amonchureli aliale inse yoboraibwaye nigo arachigotigara kogenderera anene mono asoko eneki obokoreri obuya ase sekteyo gokwana nigo aenekiri nachikomulikira ekyombekeri yokorwa amaliogo kemsa asoko eneki buna obokoreri obuya ngotoka bole ase kyombekyo.
Things are going to go on and through the board and the management they are going to look at what are the best ways to achieve optimum staff for us to be able to perform that which is expected of us from the rest of Kenyans. Because as a country, we are geared towards promoting local manufacturing, especially for pharmaceuticals. And KEMSA as a strategic partner, then we expect that the management moves into that direction in ensuring that they are able to buy locally, and by so doing then we hope that then we shall be able to bring down the cost of healthcare in this country. And for those businessmen and women outside there who are looking to do business with KEMSA, you are welcome, but just know that we are going to move digitally, and therefore we are going to put in public. Anyone who thinks they are going to become billionaires or millionaires, the public will be able to follow through online to see how they are achieving their billions or their millions.
Botigara ime sekta yo bochenu ni gongo kumanyibuna aba bisaba bochenu kurwa ase county ya Homa Bay bona ni go baganire komentero abakoli emeremo asokwene kibuna obokoleri obuyango ene kigubore asikinyagitali okwana nabaliki bamangana ni go baene kiribuna ase gekegetambe ni go batwalire omuchando bw'abanyagitali ase bairera buna bali konyara libaga lyo goshugulikira abarwaire ase chingaki kibwenerete.
Homa Bay County has had shortages in staff for quite a long time, and it has been an issue. But with the ongoing improvement in our facilities and opening up of new departments and new facilities across the country, the shortage of health workers has been exacerbated. Right now we are having our dental unit fully functional, we are having our eye unit fully functional, and we are having drugs in our facilities coming in huge amounts, and because of this we now need many more doctors than we needed before. We are having our oncology unit and renal unit also functioning, and we also need dentists because now we've fully equipped the Rachuonyo South and the referral hospital dental unit, and we've been having our Sindo dental unit functional. So this has led to a massive shortage of medical officers, dentists, pharmacists, and also specialists. So we would like this addressed, and we would like this addressed urgently because we are also having high numbers of patients now having confidence in our public facilities and coming in large numbers.
Omuchando bw'enchara nigo gendete kwenekegwa ase chinsemo imense itu ya Kenya agati yabo ensemeri ya Taita Taveta ase chiskuru chinyinge kyerera okuburwa kwa borokigwa kubatikana no muchando yo abwatani bechisemi nigo baenekiribuna aborokigwa gwetani akiri bubere nigo babere bagotigara inka kubatikana no muchando yo ase kolende ababwatani babere bagwesokya nabo igokoena na chindagira asokwenekibuna ngo kyani abale omuchando yo.
Fungo hiyo chakula. Ni 80% ambao wanafika kwa wale sana sana wale watoto wa chekechea kwa sababu ya ile njaa. Sasa wanaona kuja shule na hakuna kitu ya kukula, inakuwa ni ngumu. Kwa hao wengine wa shule ya primary na secondary school, wao wanakuja shule kwa sababu kuna ile mradi wazazi wanajitolea kutoa ile mahindi na chakula ile watoto wanakula shuleni.
Jambo ambalo linafurahisha vile tumepata mhisani ambaye ameweza kuja kusaidia wanafunzi kuweza kupata lishe katika ile siku. Manake kulingana na vile tunavyojua mzigo wa kulisha wanafunzi shuleni umeenda kwa wazazi. Na wazazi wakati huu hali pia ni ngumu kwao.
Baa la njaa limekithiri sana katika maeneo yetu ya Taita Taveta na Kenya yote kwa ujumla, na sisi kama shirika la Wildlife Works tukaona ni vizuri tuweze kukuja pamoja na kuweza kuhakikisha kwamba tunatoa chakula kwa wanafunzi ambao wanasoma katika shule ambazo katika eneo hili.
Our project is meant to cover the community, the forests and the wildlife, and if we don't take care of our community, then we will not be taking care of, we will not have anyone to take care of the environment.
Obo ibi bwetugo nigo bugendete kwenekigwa ase county ya Samburu ase obotuko bogokera rero abayibi batalera ensemo ya Rolmolog na koiba chimboli gwetania chimibere ase ba mwaka omusacha oyomo w'emyaka 15 lisasi oyogendete konyora obogwenya ase nyagitari ya Maraland bono nigo baganire abanyanyimbo gotumwa chinsemo chiri nabo igokwenekia oborendi.
Wezi waliweza kuingia kwa boma. Hii boma iko na geti nyingi, wakafunja mamilango wakaingia mwendo wa saa 5 hapo saa 6 na wakaweza kufunja tena mpaka boma la mbuzi na wakatoweka na mbuzi karibu 240.
Hapa jana watu walikuwa wamesuiliwa kwa ndani ya manyumba. Hakuna mtu angetoka nje. Kama mtu angetoka watu wangeuawa hapa. Kwa sababu na
Aboncherere abo mochanga ime county ya Trans Nzoia wanonigo baganirie serikali ye county yoko bali baga asokwene kibnango korabale oboncherere babo linda kwenyarera engere yabo ya kiralituko anigo agocha magega yabo oncherere abo baselwa kurwase bale gokorera oboncherere babo chingaki batebeti kubuna nigo epara erachkwagachwa asensemeyo konde nigo baganirie serikali gwesana nigatina boigo ko bali baga asibarachikwene kingango korabale oboncherere babo
kutolewa hapa tupeleke kwa uwanja ngine, na tukifuata hiyo uwanja tena tunasikia ni ya wenyewe. So tungependa county government, tunajua labda kupata governor ni ngumu, lakini atutumie watu wale wanastahili na wale watatusikiza. Ripoti kipelekwa kwake, mahali tutapelekwa ni vile kama mwenzangu amesema, tunataka mahali pazuri, mahali kuna lights, kuna choo, security. Hizi malori zinalala hapa usiku yote.
Hawataki kusikia kilio chetu, maana sisi tulijaribu kutafuta kazi na kazi kwa upande wetu, kwa serikali wezi andika watu wote. Tuliamua kubuni kutafuta
Mwancho maligereria korwa sorobotiro ni onaikire omoeli obwa mangana maye asenchira yobwengi asebire biga kondengo gosabato basagosikato basakanyegera chikoraga ensa eyemo ayona mange no yanyara asenchira yobwikire no nyara sinse mochiche mitandao sensemo ya Facebook na bagotonya gwitira Ndizi TV News Digital na bega sensemeri ya YouTube na bagotonya gwitira Ndizi TV News sensemeri ya website na bagotonya gwitira www.ndizitv.or.ke magechi kamera soko ene kibuna ebicha na boigo eliogiria gwikira sora senchira ya bene nere Abigail Nyanchama tobe tukubwatanira Joshua Auta astinse mochi biorokerelio na interior ne Fridah Kerubo ngokuganiria obuligerelia obia.